Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well and completed chapter 1 and 2. So, let's begin with chapter 3, and it is the skeleton system. As you know, already we have discussed and learned about two important systems of human body, and they are digestive system and excretory system. So today we are going to learn about one more system of human body, that is skeleton system. Skeleton word means a framework of bones. You must have felt when you touch your body some bony structure, some hard structure. If you feel your wrist, your fingers and your legs, you can feel some bony structures in your body. Do you know what this bony structure is? They are bones. So our body is made up of number of bones, and the entire structure, the framework of these bones is known as skeletal system. So I am going to explain you about this system in our body and how important it is, what are the major functions of this system, what are the main parts of this system, and how these parts or the various parts of skeleton system help body to do different kind of tasks. So first of all, try to understand what is bone. And bone is a structure made up of calcium and phosphorus and many other chemicals. These are the hard structures in the body, and the framework of these bones altogether is known as a skeleton system. Feel your wrist, your finger and your arm. You can feel some hard structure. What are these? These are bones. Bones have many important functions in our body. They give shape and support to our body. So the figure or the shape is given to the body by the bones. They also support the body. It also protects the vital organs of our body. You know, it's a protective, it's a framework, and inside that framework various vital, or you can say important organ of the body without which we cannot survive, they remain protected. It's like a cage for the body where all important organs, they stay safe inside the body, and it helps in the movement because these bones, they assemble together in such a way that they provide different type of movement to the body. So let us discuss in detail. We have 206 bones in our body, small or big. All together we have total 206 bones in our body, in an adult body. The number of bones is much more when a child is younger. Okay, at the time of birth, number of bones, they are more than 300, but as and when a child grows, these smaller bones, they merge together, and finally in an adult human body we have 206 bones in our body. These bones are connected together to form a framework called skeleton. So the framework of the bones in our body is known as skeleton, and this entire thing, the various parts of the skeleton, altogether known as skeletal system. What are bones made up of? I have already told you, bones are made up of calcium, phosphorus and a substance called collagen. Collagen is a substance which, you know, bones, when they together join with each other, with the help of this collagen, they join with the other bones. So bones are important structure in our body. So let's learn more about the skeleton system. You must have seen this kind of picture, this kind of image in many books, and So this is the internal structure of our body, and if we talk about the bones. So the various parts or the functions of the skeleton system are, the functions of the skeleton system are organized into skeletal. The bones of the skeleton are organized into a skeletal system. So these bones, they assemble in such a way that it work as a system. A skeleton has several important functions. So functions of the skeleton system are, it provides support and basic shape to the body. Basic, you must have seen human beings, they have a particular shape, animals, they have their own shape. So whatever shape our body acquires is because of this framework. ये हड्डियों का ढांचा और ये हड्डियों की संरचना हमारे शरीर को एक विशेष आकृति देती है, शेप देती है. विदाउट स्केलेटन द बॉडी वुड बी अ शेपलेस हीप ऑफ टिश्यूज. अगर हमारी बॉडी में हड्डियां ना होती तो क्या होता, ये एक मांसपेशियों का ढेर होता. इसलिए बॉडी को एक पर्टिकुलर शेप जो है वो ये बोन्स का स्ट्रक्चर देता है. And this is called skeleton system. It protects the soft organ of the body. For example, the skull protects the brain and the rib cage protect the heart and lung. So, heart, lungs and brain. These are the vital organs. These are the important organ of our body. Without these organs, one cannot survive. So, these are really important. And our skeleton system help to protect these vital organs. For example, this topmost part of the skeleton system is known as skull, khopdi, and the brain is protected inside this. So it protects the brain. It is actually like the way helmet protects a person while driving a two-wheeler. Same way this skull protects the brain. It's a safety guard for the brain. This is the another part of the skeleton system is rib cage. छाती में ये हड्डियों का एक पिंजरा सा होता है. That's why it is called cage. And inside this chest cavity, heart and lungs are protected. Towards the left side of the chest cavity, heart is present, and on either side of this chest cavity, lungs are present. So this cage actually protects the heart and lung. Muscles are attached to the bones. Muscles and bones work together to move the parts of the body. Now it's not about bones. After the bones, they are covered with muscles. Okay, so bones are covered with muscles and cartilage, and they are attached to the bone in such a way that they give movement to the body. हमारी मांसपेशियां, मसल्स, वो हड्डियों के साथ जुड़ी होती हैं. खास तरह के प्रोटीन थ्रेड से ये अटैच होती हैं. आई विल बी टेलिंग यू व्हाट आर दोज अटैचमेंट which help bones and muscles to join together and they give movement to the body. The long bones and flat bones contain bone marrow. Now, bone also contain bone marrow. Bone marrow is a very important thing. You know, inside these bone, some special substances are present and they are the tubular structures. And inside a bone, there is a special substance called bone marrow, and it is the place where blood cells are formed. So in other words, you can say the blood cells or the blood which is present in the body is formed in the bone marrow. इन हड्डियों के अंदर एक खास तरह का सब्सटेंस होता है जिसकी मदद से शरीर में खून बनता है, and this is called bone marrow. If we cut a section of bone, inside it there is a bone marrow, and every time new blood cells, white blood cells, they form in the bone marrow. So bones are very important. They give shape and structure to the body and they produce blood cells as well. Bones contain minerals like calcium and phosphorus. I have already told you that bones are made up of calcium and mineral in the body. Now, various parts of skeleton system. See, there are 5 major parts of the skeleton system. The first one is skull. Okay. The second one is the rib cage. Okay. And third one is backbone. You can see from here, it is the backbone. फोर्थ इज लिम्स, हाथ और पाँव की हड्डियाँ, ठीक है, हाथ और पाँव की हड्डियाँ. एंड लास्ट वन इज गिर्डल्स. गिर्डल्स होते हैं जैसे जहाँ हिप्स की बोन जॉइन होती हैं, जहाँ शोल्डर की बोन जॉइन होती हैं, ये कहलाते हैं गिर्डल्स. तो हिप गिर्डल एंड दिस इज शोल्डर गिर्डल. बोन्स ऑफ हैंड एंड लेग. सो 5 मेजर पार्ट्स: स्कल, rib cage, backbone, limbs and girdles. So these are the 5 major parts of the skeleton system. Now I'll be explaining you one by one. Okay. Parts of skeleton system. A skeleton system is consist of 5 main parts. They are the skull, vertebral column, rib cage, limbs and girdles. So let's begin with skull. See, this is the picture of skull. Okay, and you can see these are some joints here. You can see these are the joints where bones are joined together to form a cranium. These are flat bones. Okay, the full skull is made up of 22 bones. 22 bones, they join in a particular manner. ये 22 फ्लैट बोन जो हैं ये आपस में जुड़ जाती हैं द वे यू पेस्ट द पीसेस ऑफ पेपर. जैसे इस तरह से ये फ्लैट बोन्स आपस में जुड़ी होती हैं और इस फ्लैट पोर्शन को दिस इज़ फ्रंटल एंड दिस इज़ क्रेनियम. माथे का फोरहेड वाला जो बोन है इसको बोलते हैं फ्रंटल एंड पीछे का जो खोपड़ी में जो फ्लैट बोन होती है जो एक सिर को, एक स्कल को एक शेप देती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्रेनियम. ओके, एंड दीज आर द आई सॉकेट्स. यहाँ पर आँखों के लिए स्पेस होता है, इसके अंदर आईज होती हैं. दिस इज द बोन ऑफ नोज. ये बोन है नोज की और इसके आगे का हिस्सा जो है ये बोनी नहीं होता है, इसमें कार्टिलेज होती है. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट इज कार्टिलेज. ये छोटी सी यहाँ तक नाक की हड्डी होती है और यू कैन से दिस इज अपर जॉ, ऊपर का जबड़ा, और ये नीचे का लोअर जॉ. ठीक है, ये चिक बोन होती है. अगर आप अपने फेस को टच करके देखेंगे यू विल फाइंड अ बोनी स्ट्रक्चर हियर. दिस इज कॉल्ड चिक बोन. सो ऑल टुगेदर 22 bones are there in a skull. The skull forms the head of the body. It is made up of 22 bones. Out of these 14 bones are of frame of our face. 14 से face बना होता है and rest 8 bones are flat bone. They are locked together like a jigsaw puzzle. जैसे आप जिक्सो पजल में अलग अलग पीसेस को जोड़कर एक स्ट्रक्चर, एक फॉर्मेशन बनाते हो, ठीक वैसे ही ये जो बोन्स हैं ये एक जिक्सो पजल की तरह आपस में जुड़ी होती हैं और ये क्रेनियम और फ्रंटल बनाती हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ स्कल? द स्कल गिव्स शेप टू द फेस. You must have seen different people have different type of shape of the face. Some have round face, some are oval shape face, and some have broad face. So this shape is being given to us by the formation of skull. It gives shape to eyes, space to eyes, nose, ear and mouth to fix in it. These eye socket and nose, eyeballs are present in this. Okay, so this bony structure provides space to the eyes. Here is ear bone. Okay, so the ear which is visible to is external ear. The internal ear is in the skull. It protects the delicate brain. Now here in the cranium, on the back side of the head is brain protected. Brain इस हिस्से के अंदर सुरक्षित रहता है. It protects eye, inner part of ear and nose and tongue. The tongue remains inside the jaws. Eyes eye socket में रहती हैं और नाक जो है, नाक nostrils जो है ये external nose में आते हैं. External ears जो हैं, जो आपको दिखाई देते हैं, वो bony structure नहीं होता है. That is cartilage. I'll explain you. So this is the internal structure of our face, or you can say skull. Now the lower, out of these 22 bone, only one, see these are all joined together and you will surprised to know they all are fixed joints. ये आपस में इस तरह से जुड़े होते हैं कि ये हिल नहीं सकते हैं. Out of these 22, only one jaw is visible, movable, and that is the lower jaw. The only lower jaw is movable jaw. Rest all are fixed. The lower jaw is the only movable joint of the skull. बाकी सभी fixed joint होते हैं. And when you speak, when we speak, when we eat, and when we say anything, our lower jaw having the movement, okay, and rest all bones are joint fixed. Now I understand the skull acts like a helmet and protects our brain. Hope you all understood that the skull is like a helmet. It protects the brain and other sense organ inside the body. Now here's one activity for you. Touch your nose and hand. You will feel the presence of any bone in the front portion of your nose. Have you ever touched your nose? So try to feel whether there is any bone or not. No, our nose does not have bone in the front portion. See, I have explained you through this thing. The bone is up to here. The front portion of the nose is not having any bone. So what is that structure now? Our nose does not have bone in the front portion. It is made up of material called cartilage. 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 Now what is cartilage? Cartilage is a strong and elastic tissue. It makes our nose and ears soft and flexible. They are not hard as bone, but they are very, very strong and they are flexible. So they are not exactly bone, but they are strong like bones and they are made up of special substance. They are known as cartilage. They are stronger like bones, but they have flexibility, whereas bones, they don't have flexibility. They can be moved on a joint only. But these cartilage, see, if your external ear, you can turn this ear, you can squeeze your nose, so they are flexible. So this is called cartilage. Now the next part of the skeleton system, the second important part of the skeleton system is vertebral column. Vertebral column or the spine or backbone. You can remember any of the name. This is also known as vertebral column. It is also known as spine and very commonly it is known as backbone. हिंदी में इसे रीढ़ की हड्डी कहते हैं. हमारी बॉडी के पिछले हिस्से में बैकबोन जो है इसको बोलते हैं वर्टिब्रल कॉलम. Column word is also very important to understand why this column word is known as. Column is known as column because it is not made up of a single bone. It is made up of 33 small bones joined together. Like we draw columns and rows, na? Same way, there are 33 small bones. They join together in a particular manner and all together they make a vertebral column. That is why this column word is, added to this. So backbone जो है वो 33 स्मॉल बोन्स के एक खास पैटर्न में जुड़ने से बनती है. Vertebral column is made up of. Now, what is the main function of? The vertebral column is a long hollow column of bone. Our skull is joined to the spine that runs from the base of the skull up to the hip region. This is the entire backbone. You can say this is the top part of the backbone, and the section of the backbones are like the topmost part is known as neck region. These top 3 vertebrae जो हैं, ये तीन ऊपर के 3 से 5 वर्टिब्रे, ये हमारी नेक तक का पोर्शन है, जहाँ पर हमारी नेक, यहाँ स्कल अटैच होता है. नेक्स्ट फ्यू वर्टिब्रल कॉलम्स आर अंडर चेस्ट रीजन. इनके साथ हमारा रिब केज अटैच होता है. इसमें इस पोर्शन से, बैकबोन के इस पोर्शन से रिब केज अटैच होता है. ये है एब्डोमेन पोर्शन, और यू कैन से द बेली रीजन. यहाँ पर चेस्ट के नीचे का हिस्सा बैकबोन से अटैच होता है. एंड दिस इज द लोअर पोर्शन वेयर द हिप गर्डल्स, हिप जॉइंट होते हैं. एंड द लास्ट टिप ऑफ दिस बोन इज नोन एज द टेल रीजन. It is the end of the backbone. So these 5 regions, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So backbone is divided into these 5 regions, and this entire backbone is made up of 33 small bones. Okay. So these 33 small bones are attached together, and in between these 33 bones there are cartilage. You know, in between the bones, this special substance, as you can see, after every bone there is a space, and this space is filled with the special substance that is known as cartilage, the one we have already discussed while talking about nose and ear. It's the same cartilage. It is not hard as bone, but it is as strong as bone. So this soft cushioning of a special substance that is known as cartilage. इन हड्डियों के बीच में कार्टिलेज होते हैं, एंड कार्टिलेज इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दे आर द शॉक एब्जॉर्बर. क्या होता है जब हम बैकबोन में, यू नो, वी जंप, वी मूव, वी रन, वी सिट, वी स्टैंड, जब भी हमारी बॉडी में मूवमेंट होती है तो ये जो बैकबोन है, इस बैकबोन में जितना भी शॉक, जितना भी स्ट्रेस, जितना भी मूवमेंट होता है, वो कार्टिलेज जो है वो इसको, जैसे शॉकर्स होते हैं, यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस वर्ड, स्प्रिंग्स होते हैं, गाड़ी में बैठते हैं, ठीक है, और किसी भी सीट पर जब आप बैठते हैं तो उस प्रेशर को झेलने के लिए, ये हमारी बॉडी का जो प्रेशर है, बॉडी का जो वेट है, जब हम मुड़ते हैं, भागते हैं, उछलते कूदते हैं, तो ये बोन्स आपस में क्रैक ना हो, इसके लिए इनके बीच में ये कुशनिंग होती है. एंड दिस कुशनिंग इज ऑफ विच सब्सटेंस? इट इज कार्टिलेज. सो इन ऑल 33 vertebrae there is in between a cartilage. Okay, so single is called vertebra. ये जो 33 bones हैं, सिंगल को हम बोलते हैं वर्टिब्रा, एंड ऑल टुगेदर इट इज वर्टिब्रे. ओके, द वर्टिब्रल कॉलम इज मेड अप ऑफ 33 बोन्स. ईच बोन इज रिंग शेप्ड एंड इज कॉल्ड वर्टिब्रा. द सिंगुलर of this is called vertebra. Cartilage is present between most of the vertebrae. Now this vertebrae is the plural. When we talk about all 33 vertebrae, we say vertebrae, and singular is vertebra. It cushions the bone and acts as a shock absorber. ये क्या करती है? Bones के बीच में, like these are two bones and this blue color substance is cartilage. So it works as a shock absorber. जब उछलने कूदने पर हड्डियों में झटका लगता है तो ये हड्डियों को आपस में क्रैक होने से रोकती है. ठीक है, लाइक हम ग्लासवेयर के अंदर थर्मोकॉल एंड अदर पैकिंग मटेरियल रखते हैं ताकि उनको डैमेज ना हो. सेम वे बोन्स के बीच में जहाँ कहीं भी दो बोन्स आपस में जुड़ी होती हैं, तो ये कार्टिलेज जो है ये एक तरह से एक शॉक एब्जॉर्बर का काम करती है और हड्डियों को क्रैक होने से बचाती है. आउट ऑफ द 33 वर्टिब्रे द फर्स्ट 7 आर प्रेजेंट इन द neck region, the topmost. These top 7 are in the neck region. Last 4 together form the tailbone. आखिरी के 4 वर्टिब्रे जो हैं वो टेल रीजन में होते हैं और बाकी चेस्ट, बेली और हिप रीजन में. Is a vertebral column flexible? क्या ये फ्लेक्सिबल होता है? क्या हम इसे मोड़ सकते हैं? Yes, we can bend forward, backward and sideways without moving our legs. We can bend our back. हम अपनी बैक को आगे पीछे मोड़ सकते हैं, sideways में मोड़ सकते हैं. So, vertebral column is flexible. Why it is flexible? It is flexible because it is made up of a number of small bones. You must have seen a chain. कोई भी स्टील की चेन कोई भी आपने देखी होगी जिसमें हुक्स के अंदर एक दूसरे हुक्स के अंदर एंटेंगल करके बनाया जाता है. वी कैन बेंड दैट. हम उसको आसानी से बेंड कर सकते हैं. आपने रिस्ट वॉच में देखा होगा बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे पीसेस को मिलाकर रिस्ट वॉच का बैंड बनाया जाता है. सेम वे बिकॉज फ्लैक्सिबिलिटी इसीलिए आती है. इफ इट वुड बी अ सिंगल बोन our body won't be able to move. So the flexibility is because it is made up of very small bones joined together. So our backbone is having flexibility. Now the third is rib cage. This is the third part of the skeleton system. As you can see, it is looking like a cage and that's why its name is given rib cage. Ribs का मतलब है these are called ribs. पसलियाँ हमारी छाती में, if you feel to your chest you will find some bony structure. So these are the ribs. ये एक केज है जो हमारी चेस्ट में होता है और हार्ट एंड लंग्स जैसे वाइटल ऑर्गन को, इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. दिस सेंटर यू कैन से दिस इज द फ्रंट ऑफ द बॉडी एंड दिस इज द बैकबोन. ये वर्टिब्रल कॉलम जो अभी हमने कुछ देर पहले पढ़ा ये वही बैकबोन है. इट इज़ अ 3D पिक्चर. सो एट द बैक यू कैन सी दिस इज वर्टिब्रल कॉलम एंड इट इज़ द फ्रंट ऑफ द चेस्ट कैविटी. इट इज़ द फ्रंट ऑफ द रिब केज. सो दे आर जॉइंट टुगेदर. ये एक 3D फॉर्मेशन है. पीछे से बैकबोन और आगे से इस चेस्ट बोन के साथ, या इसको ब्रेस्ट बोन भी बोलते हैं. This is known as sternum. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Sternum. This is called, this flat long bone in the center of the rib cage is known as sternum. ये again vertebral column है पीछे से जहाँ से neck attach होता है. ये ऊपर का 7 columns में से एक है और इसके ऊपर skull attach होता है. यहाँ पर skull attach होता है. ये vertebral column है. इसका पीछे का हिस्सा you can see this. Now these ribs are 12 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are 12. This is the 12th one. 1 and 2. These are the 12th one. So out of these 12, first 10 are attached. First 10 are attached to the sternum. ये यहाँ तक. This is 10th. ये sternum से attach होती है. But last two, this 1 and 2. Here 1 and 2. These two are not attached to the sternum and that is why they are known as floating. See, ऊपर की 10 ribs जो हैं वो sternum से जुड़ी हुई हैं. पीछे से backbone से आती हैं और sternum से जुड़ जाती हैं. All 10. These are all attached to the sternum. But these last 2 ribs they are not attached to the sternum and that is why they are known as floating ribs. ये इसलिए फ्लोट करती हैं, ये इसलिए अटैच नहीं होती हैं ताकि हमारे एब्डोमेन और अदर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के पार्ट्स को स्पेस मिल सके. एंड दिस इज़ अ कैविटी. यहाँ पर हमारे लीवर, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के पार्ट्स लाइक इंटेस्टाइन वगैरह वो यहाँ एडजस्ट रहते हैं. एंड दीज this rib cage is having this cavity, and here towards the left side is heart situated and both side lungs are situated. So it is a cage of bones which protect heart and lungs. So I am reading it for you. Look at the diagram of the rib cage shown here. There are 12 pair of ribs. They are pair because they are coming from this side also and this side also. They are also connected to the vertebral column at the back. ये पीछे से backbone से जुड़ी होती हैं. 10 of these rib pairs are connected to the breastbone. This is also known as chest bone or breastbone, and the name of this bone is sternum. We call it sternum. The last two pairs are not joined to the breastbone or the sternum. Therefore, these are known as floating ribs. तैरती हुई, क्योंकि ये फ्री एंड ये यहाँ से जुड़ी नहीं होती हैं स्टर्नम से, इसलिए इन्हें फ्लोटिंग रिब्स बोलते हैं. द रिब्स फॉर्म अ काइंड ऑफ केज एज एंड इज कॉल्ड रिब केज. तो ये एक केज जैसा स्ट्रक्चर होने की वजह से इसे रिब केज कहते हैं. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ रिब केज? As I have earlier told you, the function of rib cage is to protect heart and lung. हार्ट एंड लंग को प्रोटेक्ट किया जाता है किसके अंदर? रिब केज के अंदर. द रिब केज ऑल्सो हेल्प टू एक्सपेंड द चेस्ट कैविटी सो दैट ऑक्सीजन फिल अप द लंग्स व्हेन दे ब्रीद इन. अब ये चेस्ट कैविटी में लंग्स होता है एंड इट प्रोवाइड स्पेस, इनफ स्पेस टू लंग्स to breathe in oxygen. You know, when we breathe in, our chest get elongated. फूल जाते हैं फेफड़े जब हवा से भरते हैं, तो वो स्पेस जो है वो रिब केज उसको प्रोवाइड करता है. सो दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ द रिब केज. वंस अगेन आई रिपीट, वी हैव टुडे स्टडीड अबाउट द फंक्शंस ऑफ what is skeleton system, what are the functions of skeleton system, and the main parts of the skeletons, 5 parts of the skeleton system, that is skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs and girdle. So tomorrow I'll be explaining you about the limbs and girdle. For today I am doing this much only. So I request you to read, to go through this chapter. There are various new terms, the names of the bones, the different new words which came across in this chapter. You are supposed to learn those chapters and try to understand the diagrams explained till now. That's all for today. God bless you.